Hi there everyone, this is Sarah from No Hooks Given, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do the crab stitch as a finishing touch on a basket. Alright, so you're going to want to start when you're at your end of your row to chain one, and then we will be single crocheting, but we will be going in reverse. Stick your hook in and single crochet. And then in the next one, you're just going to repeat that once again. And just keep following along. And you'll start seeing this really cool stitch just form. Go over and single crochet. And again. All right. And just keep doing that as you go around on every stitch, including on the handle. And I'll meet up with you guys when we get right back over to here. All right, hold on. All right, and now we are back to almost to the beginning, and we're gonna just keep single crocheting until we get to our last stitch. And now you want to pull up a loop. We're going to snip off our end. And now we are going to just connect it over and together. And I like to just weave in through the side. If you really want to secure it, you can make a little knot. Just pull tight. And just go back. Now we snip, and there you go. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you can incorporate the crab stitch into one of your future projects, and look out for this basket coming in November. All right, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to see more cool stitch tutorials. All right, bye.